Hello guys. Last week, I am sorry for last week. You know, it was the end of the year, 2017, and I know most of you will be having your holidays, so I don't want to interrupt that. So, but today, uh, this is the first streaming in 2018, and we try to begin from the beginning, and we speak about subjects that are mostly interested by all the people, which is penny stocks trading. Okay, so I will be just waiting for a few minutes until I see our guys coming. So as you can see, 2017 was so busy year, and it was a good year. It means hello Prince Sign. So how are you? So I see some people coming, so it's very nice. Mostly I have always my friends or my followers, and most of the people who like what I do. Hello Ben Michaud, Happy New Year, Happy New Year for all of you guys. So as I told you, hello wise man, Happy New Year. This is the Happy New Year for all you guys. Okay, Happy New Year. And Wiseman says, good evening, Kareem. Did you go to the mountain last Saturday, and Happy New Year? No, man, it's freezing, and I think there are a lot of snow in the mountains, so I don't dare go there right now. I stay warm in my home, so it's very cold, and we have some snow here. Even we don't have that much, and the first day of trading, it means on Tuesday, 2nd of January, one of my students sent me that he sold his stock 70% profits for 47 days, and I publish his trade, and I explained everything about it. So maybe when you have time, try to check it. Hello guys, hello Baba Stock, how are you? Now the subject of today is penny stocks trading. You know, why the people. Hello Baba, thank you for coming. A question, why everybody likes penny stocks? Okay, because most of the people they see stocks that generate a lot of profit in sometimes 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, you know, or 1 week or two, and these stocks are very volatile. And in general, if you want to understand penny stocks, for me, there are two kinds of penny stocks. You should get this distinction between them. Okay? Cristiano Fan Vivo says, I love penny stocks. Yes, most of us like them because what they give to the trader, if he is correct. But a lot of people, they don't differentiate, or they don't make the difference between two kinds of penny stocks. I'm going to tell you about. Now, one which is all the people know, which is what we call pump and dump stocks or penny stocks scheme. Now, what does it mean, pump and dump? Okay, these are stocks that are really manipulated in the market. Okay, manipulated by some people, because in trading, although anything can happen, but in common stocks, in normal stocks, when there is something which is strange or something, we know that behind there is reason. For example, if you see a gap up, you go online to find a reason. Just in normal things, you find that, for example, there is what we call earning news, or there is something good news about the company, or there is something good news about the industry itself. Okay, industry itself. It means there is something good about this. That's why we have a gap up, and you find almost all the stocks have gap ups. Okay, it's not only one stock, but a lot of stocks, they have a gap ups. Now this we know, but the thing that you don't know is that pump and dump scheme, they have no relation with the company itself. They have no relation. Okay, it is done by most of the time by professionals who wants to make a lot of money by having what we call stock picks. Okay, he has 10,000 or 1,000 or 1 million or whatever stocks, whatever subscribers and newsletters, and this is the thing. And he sent them a stock, given a stock that it is not known, that it is sleepy stock. It does nothing. This company has no earnings. It has nothing. It is just get listed into the market, for example, and he wants to play with this company. Okay, stock. Let's see what Prince has said. Is from India, and then I will continue. He say, but sir, in India, stock exchange there are so many penny stocks, but when I put my order takes so much time to execute because some other people put very high quantity. Let's try to answer this guy who is from India, who is called Prince. Let's see what the other. Dasir Ruchi, how are you? Bonsoir, comment allez-vous? Baba Stock has said, what do you know about gapping strategy? It means strategy. I will give you some information after I finish with Prince. Now I repeat Prince's question. He said, in Indian stock exchange, there are so many penny stocks, but when I put my order takes too much time to execute because some other people put very high quantity. Now, I don't know which stock are you talking about in India. You should see the volume. If you want to buy a stock and the stock is moving too much, you should put a market order. A market order, what does it mean? Just to make sure you understand. A market order is you ask the exchange to buy these shares right now with whatever price. Okay, it could be dangerous. Okay, so you will get filled with any price that it is available now. With the other high, as you say, high quantity, you will be executed. It means you will be filled. Your orders will be filled. But if you put, for example, limit order to buy, for example, 1,000 shares of a stock, that it is a penny stock. Limit order, what does it mean? You ask that price or less, but the stock is going up so fast, so your order will never be filled if the stock is moving so fast, because you put, for example, $1.00 limit order. It means $1 only. So a limit order, what does it mean? It means you ask the market to give you $1 for a share or less. Let's say 99 cents or 98 cents or 95 cents. This is what you are asking. But the market is going so fast. It means it's not, whenever you put $1, the stock is $1.01 and 2 cents, 3 cents. So you will never get filled. That's why if you are in a very difficult situation where there is a high volume, there is a stock which is going so quick, what I suggest to you is you put market order. Your order will be filled, but it will not be filled as you like. It will be filled higher and higher. So try it with a few shares when the stock volume is very high. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. I don't know what is your stock volume, but at least it has a volume. When it has a volume, it will be very good. Because the stocks with low volume, the stock will go so high. So Prince, this is the solution. You should use market order. Try to trade, for example, just a few shares and try. If the strategy I give to you to buy is correct and you can buy any stock, it means that you can use it in the future for your future purchases. Because I don't know Indian stock. I should see the stock, I should see the volume, the price, and I will tell you how. Second thing, you can Prince, you can see sometimes your broker is a bad broker. The execution of your broker is bad. So you should change your broker. That is another solution. Since we are just in the beginning of 2018, you don't like his execution, try to apply for another one and make a difference. Okay? Try to see the difference between these two brokers. Put the same, let's say you want to buy, excuse me for 1 minute for coffee. Let's say you apply for another broker. You have two brokers. You put the brokers together in your screen. Let's say you want to buy 1,000 shares of a stock. Put 500 here, 500 here, and submit the two and see which is the best. It's the same stock, right? But different brokers. You put them in your screen and you submit at the same time. And you see which one gives you the best price. You will find that these two brokers are not the same. They are not the same. The execution is not the same. That's why we change brokers. Don't think that the brokers are the same. They are not. Some are paying more money, some are paying less. Those who pay less, their software, their thing is bad. For me, I was before with another broker. When I click to buy, I wait 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, there is nothing. And with the same, what you call the same ask, it means the ask, what the market makers ask me to pay, I pay. But I waited, and then it's not filled. Now when I go there, I find that the stock has been going up a little bit. Even I put market order, it takes time. So I find that this broker is bad. It is too bad. What did I do? I open another broker and I shut down that broker. I close that broker. I don't use it anymore. Okay? So this is a second option. Now, Baba said, what do you know about gapping strategy? Gapping strategy, it means if you want to go to the news first, you should go to stocks that responds to news. Okay, this is the one thing. How do you know? It's easy. Just go to 1 year or 2 years and see if the stock is gapping up and down. That is very easy to know. If a stock has never gap up or gap down, so there is less chance that there is a gap up or gap down in this stock. So forget about it. Second thing, you as I think you want strategy, you are thinking to find a sure thing. Okay, as I told you many times, there is no sure thing. You should go, if for example the news is after the market close. Let's say the news is at 4 or let's say at 5 p.m. Okay, this is the strategy. You should listen to the news and open your broker and see the price. If you see the price is moving up so quick, just buy. That means that the good news are there. But the problem, I'm telling you the problem. There is a lot of volatility after the market close. There might be the stock is going up and then later it will be going down. So a second thing you should do is see if your broker stays late for execution. What does it mean? There are some brokers that you can stay from 4 to 8 p.m. 4 hours. You can buy, you can sell. But if you're a broker, at 4:30 it stops, or 5 o'clock it stops doing activity. At 5 o'clock your broker closes, so you can't go to the, when you go online, you can't buy and sell. This is a problem. So you can't do that with this kind of earnings. Sometimes the earnings are in the morning, so you should wake up early. Okay, wake up early and look at the price and look at the news. The news, for example, you should go, for example, Yahoo calendar of earnings, and there is something which says listen. So you click on that, and it gives you the website, and it gives you the earning news with people are talking about their company. If they say that the news are good, are better than the what we call analyst estimate, because you should know the analyst estimate also. So it's a lot of things that you should do, and in order to follow earnings. If you follow earnings, it could be a specialty for you. So you need to work. There are a lot of things you should work on. Okay? So it's not just you buy and you leave. Sometimes you think that the stock is going up, it will be going down into a gap down, and you lose a lot of money. So there is a lot of risk. Another thing, Baba Stock said, do you trade OPB? I don't know what is it, this OPB. Is it a stock or what is it? I don't know what is it. Baba, you should tell me what is this OPB. Baba Stock, he said, gold and all indexes are going up. Doesn't make sense? No. It's the whole market which is going up for 2 or 3 years. It's not from today. Okay? I'm not checking gold, but I see most of the indexes are going up for a long, long time. Okay? It's not from now. And this Baba, if you follow my YouTube channel, I made what we call industry rotation. I think I have videos on them. Try to watch them. It will help you understand the thing. And when you say it doesn't make sense, well, what do you mean by it doesn't make sense? If all the mutual funds are buying for many years, they are still buying. Okay, it's very good. Well, so what's the problem? It means there is a lot of demand. You are asking why? There is no one reason in the market. Okay, there is no one reason. That's why we have thousands of reasons why the market is going up. And then you say, Baba said, brokers are cheaters. No, it means, see, they are doing their job, but understand that some brokers are weak, others are strong. Some brokers are cheap and they don't have money to run their operations. Some brokers are strong and they have a lot of money to make good execution, to make good things. So it is up to you. No one tells you to choose a broker that it is bad and you stay with him all life. So if you see that execution is bad, you have trouble with this broker, always we have problems, so why you don't change it? Why you stay with this guy? Okay? Just take your money out of him and put it in another one. Now let's see Ben Michaud. He says, Prince, learn the support resistance levels and place a limit order. If you have a good trade plan, get it and out after your plan. I just, please, Ben Michaud, I just explained to him that his problem is the limit order. When you put a limit order, you can't buy for some reason, because the stock is moving so fast. Whenever you want to put the limit, whenever you hit submit, the stock has already gone up, so it's useless. It's useless. He has some specific problems, and I dealt with these problems. A Prince said, thanks Ben Michaud, I know all the support resistance line, I use pivot points. Oh, okay. Upper range breakouts. Rockstar Production says, but Facebook is been going up for years. Is it good to buy and leave like that? You know, all the market was good all these years. Okay? And some stocks have been doing so good. Now, what if we have a crash right now? Crash, it means the stock will be stopping from going up and it will be going down. Okay? Now, all the stocks that you see going up will be going down. Most of them. Because the whole market is going down. So are you going to stay or are you going to hold in this downtrend? For example, if you have it. So investing is a choice. You should find good companies and invest in them. It has nothing to do with the good market or bad market. You should buy, always buy, because you know that this company is good and you bet for big profits for many years. You are not betting for like swing trading like we do. For us, we don't bet for years. Okay, like investing. For us, we buy today, we see tomorrow. If the stocks are going up, okay, we hold. If they are not going up, they are going down, we have our stock that takes care of this problem. That's it. So we are just betting for short term. Baba Stock said, you talked about IPOs in your YouTube. Is there any good in the future? No, Baba, you should use my signals to buy. Okay, you should use my strategy to buy. Now, if something is good, you hold and you follow the stock and make sure you follow it with my rules. If something go wrong, you exit with the profit. So it's not any IPO you should buy, because some IPOs at the first year or the second year, they go down. They are not doing any good. But later they go up after 1 year or 2 or 3. Some IPOs, they go from the beginning, they go good. And these are few. So you should follow these IPOs, search, have your money ready, and each day or 2 or 3 you find one, you buy according to my signals. Not just it is an IPO, they say to you, oh, today there's an IPO, wait for it, buy. This is not a strategy that makes money. So there should always be a strategy to make money in the market. We are not here to use hope or luck or a general idea. Okay, buy IPOs, you make money. Buy this, you make money. No, we are not doing like that. We are doing trades. Any trade that you should do, it should have a plan. Okay, you should plan for this. You should know where to buy. It's not just you buy at any time. Okay, this is not investing. When you invest, you can buy at any time because you are looking for many years. You can buy down, you can buy up, you can buy at any time with a small amount, and you invest for many years. Let's Baba Stock said, I meant greedy, not cheaters. No, see, Baba Stock, I will try just to make sure you understand. Brokers are making money from fees and from commissions. Okay, these two things are very, very important. You should understand. Now, it is their job, it is their business. They are having salaries. The more you trade, the more they get happy. The more you use their money, they are getting happy. It means the more you use their services, they are happy. So it doesn't mean that they are greedy or not. All they are businesses and they need money. Okay? So understand that it is a business. A business should make money in order to survive. If they don't give you services, they should be out of business. So greedy, any business is greedy by itself. You are greedy also. You have a salary or you have an hourly rate and you want more and more and more. You don't want to stay in where you are in each year. You want more money and more money and more money because you are spending more money and more money and more money. Okay? So I don't say that you are greedy, but everybody wants more money. Hello Artkov. Hello. I haven't seen you for a long time. Baba Stock said, is ABCD pattern useful? I have no idea what does it mean, this ABCD. I don't follow patterns. I have my own signals that I use in order to find my stocks, and I find them daily. So I don't need anything else than my own thing. Baba Stock said, do you use RAP or VWAP in your trades now? I have my own signals. I don't use anything. My strategies are very simple. Okay? My strategies are very simple. It's not complicated. Okay? I don't use what the other people are using in terms of technical analysis and the new things that it is always, each year you have a new book and speaking about another idea and the people are following. That's why we have more than 300 indicators. Okay? So that's why I don't use them. Okay? A prince said, what is the benefit of paid software? Now, what do you mean by paid software? What do you mean by it? Is it the broker that has a paid software? It depends what are the services they offer. Okay? Now, for me, I don't use anything with paid service. No paid service. The only thing I pay is a commission when I buy a stock. That's it, what I need. And you don't need to pay anything. Why you should pay? Okay? So paid software, I don't know what you mean by it. Do you mean the broker? The broker software and he offers services and you are paying for a newsletter or information or news? The information and the news are free in the market. Why should I pay for news? Okay, they are free. You go everywhere. You want to know everywhere about anything. You just go to biggest websites that provide news. It's for free. Now, there is another question from Ben Michaud. He says, do you think penny stocks volume is slow in general cause more people are playing cryptocurrencies? No. I will tell you the reason. There are many people who have money. They are doing bigger stocks. They are not doing penny stocks. Because penny stocks and smaller stocks, wherever you go to them, there is a bigger risk to lose money because the stocks are very quick. Okay? And this is slow stocks. You can't put $1 million or $2 million in these stocks. Some people have money. And thousands of people, they have money. So when you go to that stock, let's say 50,000, I will give you an example. A stock that it is $1. The volume is 50,000. What does it mean? It means all the money in this stock between buying and selling is 50,000. Do you think that you can go to this stock? If you go, that means you will be playing with few people. Okay? And anyone can put this stock down or up. Because if he short the stock, he has a lot of money. He has more than 50,000 or 50,000. If you put a lot of money in it, shorting the stock will go down. So these stocks are manipulated. They are very low volume. That's why all the people, the traders, you find them in the high volume. There are some stocks that are penny stocks, but they have high volume, always high volume. Why? Because they like them, because they can buy 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 shares without moving the price. These are stocks that you can trade with. It means in day trading. Okay? So understand that slow, it means the volume is low. It doesn't mean that the people are going to cryptocurrencies or something. Each market has its own guys, its own traders. Okay? But the traders, there are some people who like forex, currency pairs. Some people, they go to options. Some people, they go futures. Okay? Some, they do stocks. So these are the four main major markets in the stock market. Okay? And almost all are day traders. You can find what we call swing traders like us in everything. So cryptocurrencies has nothing to do with stocks, with penny stocks. Penny stocks always they have their own traders, but you can try to see. This is our subject. I will explain since I was explaining the pump and dump scheme. I will just give you some information about them. And Prince said some brokers charge monthly charges. Yes. So here in America, yes, we have also some brokers. They charge if you don't trade in 1 month. You trade just less. They charge you. The bid and the ask streaming data. They charge you. Okay? If you don't trade, because they want you to trade too much. At least you trade each month. Because they generate money. Because when you trade, they generate money. If you buy one thing and you stay 1 year, it means you are an investor. They don't like investors. Okay? So understand that, Prince. Understand, Prince, that there are some brokers, they don't like investors, but they will not tell you that they don't like them. You can open an account, but they will begin charging you each month. Now you ask, what is the solution? Solution, find another broker. You don't find in India? Go to America and find another broker. There are a lot of brokers. You open an account, they don't charge that much, and you just have an American broker or any other kind of broker. Okay? So don't let them exploit you, because in India there are only few brokers that they exploit people. So try to get out of it and don't give your money like this to everyone. But you should study this, because we are in the beginning of the year. We are in 2018, beginning of the year. You should search in India other kind of brokers and find the best that doesn't charge that much. Okay, because if they charge you, they are taking from your profits. And if they charge each month, it will be a burden. So Baba says, how to know that the company or stock is in trouble without following the price? Oh, here you are speaking about investing. Okay? You go to its balance sheet. You try to see the changes from each quarter. Are they making more money or are they making less money? But the price will give you the information without looking at the company. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing is look at the dividend, if they are giving dividend, if it is going raising each year, or it is increasing or it is decreasing. Or sometimes a broker company stops giving dividend because they can't. Okay, they have problems, they can't. And you can read about the industry, competitors, and so on, and you will understand more and more. Because if you own a company, it means you are investing in it, you should know a lot about this company. You should follow its quarters. When the quarters ends, they announce few information. See if this information is better than last year, yes or no. They will tell it. They will tell you. And you see analysts what they say about this company. This is just general information. But for me, since I am not investing, I am just doing what we call swing trading or short-term trading. We don't care about the company. I have never seen, let's say I am trading a stock. Okay, any kind, let's say it is XYZ. This is the symbol of the stock. I have never gone to this company to see what is this company doing or the name of this company. I don't care. Okay, I don't care about what they do. So what I care about is the stock moving up to make money from this company. So you understand the two styles of trading and investing? In investing, you should know a lot about what you invest in, because you stay many years. Maybe you are investing in a bad company that is going bankruptcy. Okay? So you should know about the company. But for us, we don't. If the stock is going up, it means the company is good. That is the most important thing. I don't care. If the stock was $10, next year is $100, I don't care what the people say. They say it is a bad company, but I bought it and I make money from it and I sell it. I don't care what the people say. I don't care what the analysts say. The most important thing is the price. So, Prince says, some broker give some tips, but they trapping to small invest. They said to buy at higher level, but when any stock break the 52-week high, why is it fly or boom? Now see, are you going to follow blindly people what they say, the broker? The broker is not trading anything. So stop following brokers. Prince, if you want to study, to get strategy, to learn by yourself, to do trades by yourself. Without these guys, you should go and take my training, for example, and that's it. Stop following people, because the people, they don't teach you something new. If you go online and you find, oh, buy that stock, buy this stock, sell this stock, hold this stock. Is this what you are looking for? You should learn how to trade. This is the only thing that makes you a trader in the future. You should be independent from anyone else. When you learn my strategies, for example, you will see the whole picture. Any stock you take, you understand what to do, when to buy it, when to sell it. You will understand everything about any stock in the stock market. Okay? You don't need your broker to tell you, oh, buy this or sell this, or 52-week high or 52-week down, or I don't know what is this. Okay? So don't get trapped into these problems. Hello, Pedro Nevis. Why don't you swing trade crypto selling huge profits? Now, I am not into cryptocurrencies. Okay, I don't do them. Although I made some videos, you can make this thing, but you should do day trading. Okay, at any moment, because the currency, I will tell you something, it is trading one day, the whole day. At any moment, the stock can go, this cryptocurrency can go up or can go down. So it is a huge risk. Okay? And I am not speaking about you put 1,000 and 2,000. If you put 100 or 200,000 in these cryptocurrencies, you can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money. See, for example, Bitcoin, it was nearly 20,000 and it goes to 14, now it is 17. So you see, it's a lot of money. It means in terms of risk. So I don't care about this cryptocurrency, and we are not doing them here. Baba Stock says, why in some cases the momentum goes down while stock is going up? Oh, no. Baba Stock, momentum, it is not the momentum that you see online, that it is in charts. Momentum is the right moment to buy. It is my signals. It's my criteria. It is not the momentum that you see online, that you see in the chart. They call it momentum line or momentum thing. So you are confused about the momentum. The momentum is just the word. It says on the right time. So the momentum is just the right time to buy. And for me, it is different from what you know. Okay, what you know is a momentum is a line to buy or to sell, but for me, no, it is not. Baba said, can I buy hot IPO first day if stock crosses the resistance line? Which is the resistance line? It means if you are trading, you should know how to trade. And here is the problem. The first day of the IPO, they don't let you use stop order. It means to exit quickly. You should use limit order. So whenever you want to exit, they don't let you exit very quickly. You should change. You should be very, very quick. So you get trapped and you can lose a lot of money. So you should have a good execution broker, and you should know how to trade a quick and volatile stock on the first day without using stop loss. Because when you use a stop loss, you should use it with limit order, and sometimes it is not filled in the first day. So I'm telling you, if you are beginner, forget about trading these stocks in the first day, because they are so volatile. Another one says, Yaramir Yager. Hello, Yaramir. Hello, sir. I have an open order that went below my target price. twice and was not executed. Do you know why? Thanks for the help. So, if you have an open order that went below your target price, is it a limit order or is it a stop order? If it is a limit order, it is sometimes it's not filled because the stock has gone very wide, so it is not filled, and it cannot be filled because it is limit order. But if it is a stop order, you should call your broker. Call your broker and ask him why, because when it reaches the stop order, normally it becomes a market order and it should be executed. Okay, so please, Yaramir, check what is your open order, okay, and see what it is. And it is this order. Is it to buy or to sell? Okay, and what is the order type? Is it a limit or is it a stop? When you give me this information, I can help you out, or you can send me an email with all the information. I will put my I'll put my email and my website, and you can check that. Okay, so I will give you my email and my website, and then you can send me an email because it could be very yes, it could be very so Yaramir, please check my email and my website. You can send me an email and I will answer you. Okay. Baba Stock said, Kareem, with semiconductors and internet industry outperform in. Now see, Baba Stock, this is very simple to check. I have made videos about industry rotation, and in this 1 week or 2 or 3 you will see them online, and you can just try to understand the difference. So if an industry outperform another industry, it means the buyers in the other industry are buying more than the other industry, and it's a simple thing. It's what is your question? There is no question here. Okay. Now another question: is price and volume important for breakouts? How to know the target price for the price? Baba Stock. Here, all the people who follow me, they use my strategies. My strategies are based on criteria when you search, and these are called signal. So if you want to know, either you go, for example, to training level 2, how to search for stocks, or training level 3, using industry, okay, or you do my silver subscription, which is very easy. You got 4 training and the search of the week. Okay, so and you do for the search of the week, and then you practice all this. Prince said, what price action works? I'm telling you, Prince and Baba and the other guys, that you should follow signals. Signals are criteria that you put in the search. Any stock that you, for example, any stock that you give me, I will tell you if it is a buy or it is not a buy according to the signals and according to my criteria. So if you want to know my criteria about the search, you should either buy my training levels 1, 2, 3, 4, or you should go with a subscription. It's very easy. It shows you what to look for, and then you become you know what you are looking for and how to search for them. Okay, so but you are asking me information about my training. I can't give you this kind of information because it is training. Okay. Now let's go and continue our subject before. So our subject was what do you mean by pump and dump scheme? So I will write here for those who most of you know this pump and dump scheme stocks. Oh, okay. Yaramir, if it is a limit order, and is it a buy or sell? A buy or sell order. What is it? Are you buying or are you selling? That the orders are not executed. Oh, okay. Now, what did happen here is that when you put the limit order, for example, limit order at $11, for example, let me see. Just to give you an example, $11 at limit order, okay. At limit order, then the stock is 1101. So see this example. For example, you want to buy a stock at 11, you put 11 a limit order. Now when you hit submit, the stock has already gone to 1 cent. So your order will not be executed. No fill here. No fill here is just because you ask 11 and down. The stock is 1101, so they will not fill it. Hello, Mr. Mash. How are you? I haven't seen you for many weeks. Hi, Karim. This is Smash from Glendale, Arizona. Missed a lot of your shows. Yes. I see you, and I see, where is he? This guy. Arizona. It's a lot of desert there, I think, or it's a lot of cold right now. So maybe you are hibernating like a bear or something. Baba Stock asks, how to know the oil prices reach the top? It's very simple, Baba. They will not go any more up. That is how I know. It's very simple. Now, let's you guys. I speak about pump and dump scheme right now because we are nearly 1 hour and we are not doing anything. I just answer questions. Now, pump and dump schemes are stocks. At first, they are very low stocks. It means when you go to see the volume, it is 25k or 50k or 100k. So these stocks, no one goes to them. They are not tradable. No one comes. No traders know this kind of stocks. Sometimes they are new. Sometimes even they have 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but no one comes to them. So what did happen is that some professional people, They make newsletter and they ask people to buy each week or each 2 weeks or each month. They buy one stock at a given time. Now, when all these people, they come at that time, they buy, the stock, you see it going so wide, either up or down. Maybe they short it, maybe they go up. Okay? So this is called pump and dump scheme. It means they pump them, they go up so quickly. This, it doesn't take 1 minute. Because all the people want to buy at the same time. The stock will go so big. From $1, it can go to $5 in 1 minute or two. It's not the whole day. It's just in 1 minute or two. All this volume, it was, let's say, 50,000 volume. It goes to millions. From where this stock comes? Millions of traders, of shares traded a day. From where? You should ask yourself always about this. That's why these stocks, if you find them and you be in them, day trading or swing trading, you can make a lot of money. But you should exit very quick, because these stocks can go down at the same price, at $1, very quick. So you shouldn't be so greedy. You should do day trading. You should follow them, okay? And you should exit so quick. This is what we call pump and dump scheme. And for me, I am not trading this kind of stocks. I am trading other kind of stocks that are penny stocks, but they are not pump and dump scheme. It means these stocks are low volume or a medium volume, and because they don't go that fast, people, they ignore them. So I go there, I find an opportunity with my signals, and I buy this kind of stocks. These stocks, they go slowly until I make a lot of money. The trade that I have done I put it online, which is called Usur. I get 59%. Okay, let's see here. The stock is called Usur, and I get 59%. Okay, in 5 months and 2 weeks. Now it is going slowly. Okay, it's going slowly, and I put this trade on the online on YouTube. You can check it. But in my subscription, I put all the videos, 30 videos, how I buy it and I follow it and I exit it. Okay? So Yaramir said it was at about 190. My target price was oh, you are what do you mean 0.0004? It means 190. You are not writing the numbers right. You mean like this? 19004 or 03? It could be. So if you want, you put you put another order like 19005. Put 5 like this, and you can get the stock. Okay, let's continue with other questions. Baba said, what's monopoly stocks? Can I buy them? And do you think Facebook will beat Google and become a leader of the tech? Now, monopoly stock, I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean? Can you give me an example? What do you mean by monopoly stocks? I have no idea about this. And Facebook and Google, yes, they are competitors, and it's just the future who tell us this. I was positive of Facebook. since 2012, and I don't know. It's the future who will tell us. Till then said, meaning pump and dump stocks chart not readable. Yes. Till, how are you? I haven't seen you for a long time. You can buy with my criteria these pump and dump schemes. But if you succeed, you can make a lot of money. But for me, I don't follow them. Because sometimes the pump and dump is only one day. So if you are not in that day, it's unpredictable to buy before, because there is no sign. The stock is in the middle. It's not. It has no idea where to buy, where to sell. Some people, they just buy in the morning because they are doing day trading. They see the stock is going up, they search, and they just buy. For a few minutes, the stock goes up, then they sell. Okay, so it's just by chance. If you want to be, because this is a hidden thing. The only thing that shows is price. So you should be a day trader to follow this kind of stocks. But for me, I don't follow them because they are manipulated. Okay, they can go up, they can go down as they match. So I am not going to follow this kind of stocks. You should be a day trader. Yaramir said it went down all the way down to less than a penny, 0.0003, and my target price was 0.04, and it was yes, okay, yes, I understand. Thank you very much, Chill. I understand, Yaramir, what you mean, and as I told you, if it was 4 and the other is 3, yes, it doesn't fail. Okay, that's good. Now, the stocks that I am following in penny stocks are not followed by many, because a lot of people, they see stocks that they go so high in one day, they are thinking about pump and dump schemes to get to them. Now, in order to get to this stocks, you should be a day trader, and you should following in the morning all the small stocks that are going up so fast, and you just go and buy with them. Okay, so you should be a day trader, and you should follow this kind of stocks. Now, for me, I am not doing day trading, and I am not following this pump and dump schemes of stocks. For me, I am following stocks that are not followed by a lot of people. They have low volume. It could be 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, and they go slowly. No one knows about them, except when they are known. When they are known, it is the way to sell, because the trend has already finished. That is the stocks that I am following. What's pivot point? Can I use it? I don't use what we call pivot point. And Baba, as I told you, I am having my own signals. I don't need this pivot point or other kinds of thing. That's why you are looking for something else. What you hear, you are following what you hear other people saying. But for me, I have my own strategies, and I am following my own signals. I don't care about what the other people are doing, and I don't explain other people what they are doing, because it's not interest of my people here. The people here are listening to me, what is my strategies and how can make money through my own signals and strategies, not from other people's strategies. So Baba, you should understand this, and don't ask me about other things. So Baba has another question, always the same questions. How to know or exit? Is it when the price hit the resistance line? The resistance line is always hitting. The resistance line is only the highest in the day or in the week or the month or the year. So the stock, if it's going up, it's always having a resistance line. So it's not. And as I told you, I don't give you training information for free. Baba, you should stop asking these questions. Okay? So let's go and continue our Yaramir said, thanks for the information. You are very informative. Thank you very much. I understand that sometimes the market in India and the market here are not the same, but stocks are always having the same issues, and the brokers, they are always doing the same thing. So says Baba says, do swing traders look at hourly or 15 minutes? We look at the daily. We are searching for daily candlestick. It's daily. We are not day traders. If you look at hour or 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you are doing day trading. So understand that. We are not doing day trading. We use only swing traders use daily candlestick. Okay? Daily candlesticks, it means we are following the trend. Okay? A trend that could be few days, just to could be few days, few weeks, or few months. So the trade is long. The trade is long. It's not a day trade. It's a swing trading. It's short term. Okay. So as I told you before, in penny stocks, Baba, give me just a few minutes. I explain this and then I will go to you. In penny stocks, I follow this kind of stocks that move slowly, that move on low volume or medium volume, and it is not known by day traders. Because if a stock is known by day traders, either small or big, you find the volume is so high. For example, if you go to Twitter, you go to Facebook, you go to Google, you go to Apple, you find it's millions. Why it is millions? Because it is widely known and a lot of people, they trade it each day. Okay? But stocks that are not known, they go with low volume. Let's say 50,000, 100, 200, or 500,000, or 700,000. It means the traders are few and it's not known. When this stock is known, it will be millions and millions and millions of traded shares a day, and a lot of people, they come. So Baba said, you talked about Jesse Livermore in previous live. What makes him unique trader? Now, unique because all his trades are based on price. He doesn't use news, he doesn't use company thing. He always uses price to make his speculation. That's why he succeeded a lot. He succeeded to make a lot of money from this, because when the price moves, it doesn't lie. Okay? But the people, when you go online, they speak about things. Most of the time they lie, or they don't know, or it is in the future. So he doesn't look at the future. He look at the past and make conclusions where to buy. And then when he buys, most of the time there is a push into the price and he makes a lot of money. That's why he is one of the best traders in the world. Okay? And he learned by himself. It means no one taught him how to trade. Okay? And at that time it was wild trading, and the people, they can do a lot of things that right now they can't do. That's why things have changed. So that's why even at that time they don't use a chart, they don't use He doesn't use information like other people use. Okay, they read a lot of news on the newspaper, because at the time there is no TV. Okay, at that time, at the beginning of the, I think the beginning of the 20th century, that's why he is unique trader. There are other kind of traders also, and they make a lot of money. And some, they are so big, they have hedge funds, so they use a lot of things right now. It's complicated right now. Okay? Yeah. Baba, you say, can I short big stocks like Facebook? You can short whatever you want. It means you can short every stock that it is shortable. Because there are some stocks that you want to short, and you should see your broker if he has shares to give you, to lend it to you. But shorting is very difficult, and especially in earning dates. Try to be careful not to short stocks in the... If you are doing day trade, it's okay. But if you should know how to trade stocks first to go long. Now, when you go long and you can make money, you can go down by shorting stocks and you can make money also. But Facebook is 180 or something. You should have a lot of money to short these big stocks. Okay. Baba said, why do you avoid options while others traders making a lot of bucks from that? Are you left behind? No, I did options, but when you have a lot of money, options is not a good mean to make money. Now you think you put $1,000 or $2,000 into an option, but if you put 100,000 or 200,000 in contracts, and the stock has let's say a gap down, for example, tomorrow there is a gap down, you lose a lot of money. So it is about risk. Okay, everything is about risk, because in options you are risking all your money at the same time. For me, for my account, I don't want to go to that kind of risk. So are you going to make money consistently during the months, during the years, or are you going just to do something like and most of the people who go to do options, okay, it's a big risk, because you risk a lot and you are buying on margin, because and the calculation of risk is different from stocks. It's like forex, it's like futures, and you should do day trading. I don't want to do day trading. That's why I don't do options at all. I do only stocks, and I specialize in swing trading. Okay, since I am making money in swing trading, why should I go to other things? So it depends on my way of life and my style of trading. But I have done day trading, I have done options, but I don't like forex and futures and the other stuff. I don't do day trading. That's why I don't do them. Okay? So, as I told you, for penny stocks, you follow stocks with low volume. You can find them by my search signals. When you find them, you see the charts, you see all the criteria. If it is good, you just buy and put stop loss. Now these stocks are moving slowly up and up and up, and whenever they stop moving up, okay, and you exit the trade with whatever money you have. And this is how let's say training level 10, how to trade penny stocks. This is how it works. Okay, it means it gives you the steps what to do, and in order to make money from them, and understand that penny stocks, they are risky in themselves. It means wherever you buy or a penny stock, understand that there is a lot of risk in it. Some other stocks, they move slowly, but these stocks are moving quickly. Now, if they move quickly, they can move up or down quickly. So they change because of the traders. If they go long or they short the stock. So try always to be careful, put always stop loss, and that's it. So that is a very good and nice to see you guys at the beginning of this new year. And those who want to specialize in penny stocks, you should do all your trades in that category. Now, when I say penny stocks, you can also use small stocks. $10, $15, $12, $7, $8, and it depends, but it's always a small stocks. Okay. Baba said, Karim, are you back to buy energy stocks in this cold weather? And how long they can last rising? Now, energy stocks have been rising for 1.5 years, I think. It's not from now. It's like 1.5 years have been rising up. And I always buy any stock in any industry. So for me, when I search the whole market. Whatever stock is good, I buy it. It's energy, or it's drugs, or it is computer, or it is technology, or whatever it is, or utilities, whatever it is, I buy, depending on what the stocks I found. And you can't buy a lot because you are limited in money always. Okay? In opportunities, we have daily opportunities in the market. Okay? Daily opportunities. It means each day you search, you will find in all the industries new stocks. And especially in these 2 years, where almost all the stocks are good. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Okay? So it's very good. Energy stocks, it doesn't mean that it is cold, they go up. This is stupid. This is stupid reasoning. Stocks doesn't move because it's the weather. It's not because you need electricity that in summer or in winter that those stocks will go up. No. It is who buys them. It's the mutual fund. This is what I am trying to teach you guys. It's the mutual funds. When they buy at any time. There is no time, summer or winter or spring or autumn. They buy at any time they decide to buy. And I made videos on YouTube showing you stock rotation. And I think, I don't know when. Let me see when I put these videos, just to let you know, because a lot of people let me see. Let me see the. Oh yeah. It will be. Today 7. La 7. Today is 6. 6. Today is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 January I will post a list of industry rotation, those who wants to. On 10 January I begin to post videos on industry rotation and explain what is it for those who are interested. It means to search stocks from the industry itself and comparing industries by industry and searching for stocks. This will do. In these days I have done what we call trades about Twitter. Yes, Twitter and also those people who watch my videos about live trades that I have done. So Baba said, what means if the stock is trending in range and suddenly gapped up? Yes, I have a strategy for that also. I have a strategy for that when a stock gap up, when to buy and how to buy. Yes, I have a strategy for that. Now, as I told you, in these days that you see those who follow my channel, you will find stocks, live stock that I have done. The one that it is for 5 months and 2 weeks, and the other one is Twitter with 2 months. You see how I trade and how I buy and how I sell and what criteria. But as you might know, I give a lot of information. But those who want really to follow my strategies, they should follow my specific signals and instructions. Okay, so it's not just just buying and holding and waiting. Okay, this is not my strategy, because you should know when to buy, when to sell, and how to follow. Would you buy Twitter in the future? Yes, if it has my signal. Yes, I bought it just 1 month or 2 months ago, and you see it's going up. Yes, I bought it, and I make a video. You go and check my video. Baba stock. Let me see when the video is about the Twitter. December. Yes, please. 26 4 January, 5 January. Four and 5. Okay. Baba, check 4 and 5 January. It means yesterday and the other day. 4 and 5 January. Check Twitter trade that I have done. Twitter. And I bought Usur before also. I make the videos just when you have time. Go back and check Usur for 5 months and 2 weeks, and you see the trades that I have done. This is our live trade. It means when you go to my subscription, you will find 30 videos week by week. No, they are not leaders. It's not internet stocks. Twitter is internet stock, but Usur is not. Okay, Usur is not internet stock. So for me, I don't believe in one sector. All the market is going up, so you can choose whatever stocks you like. But you should know the momentum. You should know where to buy. This is the most important thing. Now, it's not just you go and buy. famous stocks or not famous stocks. I don't buy Twitter because it is famous. I buy it because it goes to my criteria and signal. When I find a signal, I find Twitter, I buy it. I follow Twitter from the beginning. I follow Facebook from the beginning, from 2012. And they say it will go to $100. Okay? So I follow this kind of stocks. So you should have like a signal to buy this kind of stocks. Okay? So you are asking the same questions, and hope the other guys are not fed up with all these questions. But it's very good that you ask a lot of questions. But it's different from our subject, but it's okay. So as I told you, you should always differentiate between this kind of penny stocks. Okay, either pump and dump scheme stocks or normal penny stocks. You should make the difference. Each kind of stocks have their own strategy. Okay, some you can use day trading and some you can use swing trading depending on the situation. And you should specialize on something. You don't just go and buy everything, buy big stocks, buy small stocks, buy options, buy futures, buy, I don't know. You are just mixing everything up and you can't make it at the end. Till then says, should we worry about market crash? How to prepare for it? Now, how to prepare for it? First, you should use your stop loss always. Always use your stop loss. At least, if the market crashed one day, the first thing, you are out. This is the good thing. You take all your money out after the market and you put it in your account. This is a safe place. And then you see if you can use, let's say you can use, all of you guys, if you have remembered, you can use, let me see the training, how to short the whole market. Okay, just a minute. It's training level 18. Okay, how to short the whole market. This is most of the time what you should do. Let me see. Yes, it is how to short the whole market. It means you take indexes and you use inverted ETF to short them. This is a very simple training showing you when the market is in trouble, you should go to this training and you find indexes and then you short them. Now when the index is going down, your ETF is going up and you can make money. This is the good thing. And for me, I am not waiting for, what did happen? Oh, sorry, there is an interruption in the service, I think. So, are you guys listening and watching? Because it was off in a few minutes ago. Is it okay? Are you listening? Oh, it's good? Okay, thank you. Now, what did I say? I say you should go to training level 18. Thank you very much, Till. Yeah, Till, you try to go directly to training level 18. How to short the whole market. Study it and prepare yourself. If there is something wrong, you just change from going long to going down. It means you short. And try to search the smaller stocks, because these smaller stocks has no relation with the market mood. Okay? These stocks, smaller stocks, everybody buy it, so they don't care about the market. Okay. Oh, no, no. No, it is alone. It is not in silver membership. You can go to golden and ask questions. Ask questions, and I will make because it is not there. You can order it alone. You can order it alone. Okay, so as I told you, no, oh, okay, okay, try just to email me, and I will answer your questions. Okay, try to check the email and the website. So Baba asks, is the float important? The float, what do you mean by the float? It means the number of shares available. Yes, any stock, when it is sold, when you go online, you find the stock, you find enough shares to buy. How many you are buying? You are buying 5 million shares? You are buying the whole company? You are buying just a few shares. Why you are worrying about the float, about the whole company? The company has, some companies has billions of shares in the market. You can buy whatever you want. So don't worry about the float and how many shares you can buy. You can buy whatever you want. Okay? And the only thing that stops you is if it is a very tiny thing. The volume. No, Baba, I told you I don't use fundamentals. You say, do you look for fundamentals when you buy IPO? When the price breaks the resistance line? I don't see fundamentals, and I have my own criteria. So I don't use fundamentals. I told you before, I am not an investor. If you are an investor, you should look at the company thing. But if you are a trader, there is no need to look at them because you stay a short time. Like penny stocks that we are talking about. This has nothing to do with the company. This is our people just manipulation of stocks. They can go up, they can go down. The company has nothing to do with that. They don't know even why their stock is going up and going down. Okay? So understand that. So forget about fundamentals. I don't use them. I don't use them at all. I don't see the company name to make sure you understand. If, for example, Facebook is FB, I see only FB. I don't see Facebook. Like a company, like social media, or what they do, or how they make their money. I don't care. I don't care how they make their money or what they do. For me, I see the opportunity to make money from the stock. Okay? Okay? So, as I told you, the main thing that you see in this kind of penny stocks is just the price movement. When there is a move in the price, you should be in it. Okay? At the beginning, not at the end. Because when you come at the end, you will lose money when you become at the end. That's why for me, for penny stocks or for bigger stocks, I begin from the beginning of the trend. I am following the trend. I am not looking for the company fundamentals or the news or analysts, what they say, or websites. Baba said, can I trade stocks as earning within 1 or 2 weeks? You do whatever you want. Who will stop you? Baba stock. Who will stop you? You can do whatever you want. Even you can stay in the earnings if you are not scared to have a gap up or gap down if the stock has gap up and gap down in the past. Okay? So it is all up to you. If you know how to trade, you can do whatever you want. If you don't know how to trade, you are just doing whatever. This is called hit and miss strategy. What does it mean? It means you are just doing whatever you hear, whatever you read, whatever the people say, you just do it. But this is not a strategy to make money. He says, how scanner select only trending stocks? No, the scanner doesn't know what it is called trending. It is the criteria that you use that shows you if the stock can trend, yes or no. It's the signal that we are searching for. Okay? This is what we are searching for, and this is how do we search for our stocks. The scanner doesn't tell you which stock is which because it is just a neutral thing. It's just a scanner. You can put any hundreds of criteria that it is in the scanner. It gives you all what you want. But is it those that you are looking for? I don't know. It depends on you. Okay? And there is no one who teaches you how to use the scanner because the scanner is just a scanner, okay? Whatever criteria you put, you generate stocks. But for us, we put only 2 criteria, we generate stocks, and then we put them in the chart and we look at them one by one. If we find a good chart that has other criteria, good chart criteria, we buy the stock. If the chart is bad, we don't look at it and we forget about it. And the trend is later because the trend is not apparent. You can't see the trend right now. That's why when you see the trend, it's the dead end. It means that when you see the trend, it means the stock will go down. So why you buy it at the end? So you come at the end. Do you trade the triangles and wedges? Do you trade extended stocks? No, I don't trade all those kinds. And I don't know what they are. And I am not looking to know what they are. These are old strategies that doesn't work anymore. Okay? The people, they get hallucinations about the chart. They see the chart and then they see triangles and they begin making strategy about the triangle. Some may see squares, some may see circles, some may see hectagon. I don't care what the people are seeing, but for me, I don't see those. So I don't follow them and I don't do other people's strategies. That's why I'm always trying to explain to you, Baba, that it is different. Do you buy stocks in consolidation and what does it mean? Is the stock going up or down? If you use the techniques that I use, you will know the stock if it's going up or going down. Okay? So, no one knows until we see the information, the new information. The new information, you get it by my signals. A signal is using 2 criteria. When you see them in the chart, it is a good chart. Then you see other criteria about the chart itself. Is this chart can go to a trend, yes or no? And there is no sure thing. So you just do the thing and then you put stop loss, then you wait. If it is good, like the trades that I have done, if you go and see my subscription, you see these trades that are done live, you understand what I mean and how I do the trades. Okay, so at the beginning there is no sign if the stock's going up or going down. Now level 2, you say You check market depth level 2. Level 2 is only for day traders who are looking for a good entry. Because we have a lot of bids, a lot of askers, and you choose one and you wait. Okay? But I am not a day trader, so I don't use it. So level 2, I don't use it. When I say training level 2, no, I'm not speaking about level 2, this software. No, level 2 is just level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, so not to be mistaken. Okay, so let's see. Now another question is how to know that mutual fund is buying. Okay, so this is very easy. How to know that mutual fund is buying? The thing is, when I get the stock, I get to enter the stock with my signals. The first candlestick is the first buy from a mutual fund. He can buy before, but this is the most important one. If the stock continues to go up, I know that he is buying, and I continue holding the stock. Okay, this is how I know. What's this? Okay, so this is how I know that it is. And if the stock, as you might see, Baba, if you see my trade Usur, go just last week, check my live trade, just check it, and you will see how I trade. Okay, just try to see how I stay 5 months, 2 weeks in this trade. It is live. Now each week I do a video and I explain where I am, what I did, and how I proceed next week, where I put my exit point, where I exit. Okay, where is my stop loss, do I stay or do I exit? All this stuff I explain. This is a practice for 5 months and 2 weeks, 30 videos. Okay, so this is how the people are going to follow strategies and practice in real trading. Okay, so as I told you before, you said in previous live, if I buy ETF that I will lose. How ETF is risky? Now who tells you? I didn't say that if you buy ETF you lose. Which ETF? Which ETF I say? I didn't say that. ETF, I said, has fees. It has like 1% fees or 0.50 fees. It means you are paying fees each year when you are doing this this ETF, because ETF is tracking an index or a sector or something like that. But a stock, you don't pay nothing. For example, if you buy Twitter, you are not going to pay Twitter stock any fees, because it is not ETF, it is a stock. That's why in 401k, when you are going to put your money for the future, they put it in mutual fund, because they take fees. They take from your money. They are living from your money all their life. All your life you are putting money, they are living from them. That's why these people, they become too rich. These banks, these brokers, they are becoming too rich. It's just because they take fees. They don't really take risk. Now in stock, you don't pay fees, and this is the best thing, but they don't let you. If in 401k you want to put stocks, they will not let you, because they don't eat with you. Okay, they don't eat. They don't take fees from stocks, so they don't eat. But mutual funds, they take 1 or 2 or 3%. Can I buy SPY, which is S&P 500? Yes, you can. But the ETF, it is like a stock. It can go up, you can make money, but if it can go down, you lose money. It's like a stock. So, and it has fees. What does it mean it has fees? It means the ETF can go slower than some stocks in the same industry. For example, SP 500, it is 500 stocks, and this is the average that you see on the ETF. So the SPY is the stock ETF that tracks S&P 500. Okay? But they take fees. But in those 500 stocks, you can find stocks that are better than SP 500. Okay? So for me, I try to buy stocks better than ETFs, because they can go faster than the ETF. Yes, the ETF has fees, yes. And you can see that. You can go to the website. ETF has fees, but less than mutual fund. But less than mutual fund. In each ETF, you should see the company who launched this ETF, and they will tell you how much you pay. But it is hidden in the ETF. It means they don't ask you to put money. No, they take it from the ETF itself. Okay? Yes. In ETF, it's like a stock. You can buy it, you can short it. It's like any other stock, yes. But it has fees. That's why it is going slower than some stocks. Now, but for me, most of the time, I buy stocks because they can go faster than the ETF itself. You know, I always like stocks. I don't like mutual funds. I don't like ETFs. But you can buy ETFs like a sector. If you are interested in a sector or an industry by itself, you are interested and it's going up and you buy it, it's very good also. For the long run, you could just stay 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. You can even invest in it. Okay? You are investing for the whole index. And there are thousands and thousands of ETFs. There are thousands and thousands of mutual funds. All they are looking for our money. Whenever you buy mutual fund, you are paying fees. Whenever you buy ETFs, you are paying fees. Okay? That's the deal. And I don't know if there are ETFs for penny stocks, but it is most of the ETFs are going down. So question, Baba Stock said, when it's convenient to add to the position. When it is going up, but I don't do it that much. For me, I have a position I don't add. It's rare that I add. Because you will never know when the trend will finish. So sometimes you add and the trend is finishing soon, so you are not making any money, any big money. But it's a good thing to add. When the stock is going down, this is called averaging down. It's very risky, and maybe when you are doing investing for the long run, you can add to your position. But it is too risky, okay? Because you will never know. Maybe the company that you are putting money in is going to a bankruptcy. So you are putting money, one year, 2 years, 3 years, and they don't announce the bankruptcy. They say it's always good. That's why I told you before. Don't listen to the people online about the future. Even if the company says we are good, sometimes they are not good. They are bad position. How do you know a company is bad? Is when the stock is going down for long. Not following the industry. Especially when the industry is going up and you see this company is going down. Here is the problem. Because it doesn't follow the other stocks. It means there is something wrong. But online, they will never tell you the truth. Until they announce bankruptcy and the stock is disappear from the stock market. You don't find it. So all your money that you put will be zero. And you will never get your money back. Okay? So be careful when you are buying stocks. And when you are adding to your position, check if the company is still in solid fundamentals, and this is a real problem. Baba said, why big company like Intel is $40? However, a smaller company like Nvidia is $216. How it is logical? Now, who tells you that the market is logical? The market is never logical. But Intel with $40, it has billions and billions of shares. Go and see capitalization. Okay? See how many shares outstanding this company has and see the capitalization. You find that the capitalization of this Intel is so big. But this Nvidia, even if it is 216, you find the capitalization is small. There are some mutual funds, they like some companies, they put all their money and they don't sell. And they advertise for this company. Because it is all a game. That's why I'm telling you, Baba, stop. From the beginning, everything is a game. You should understand the game of stock market and trading and investing. It is just a game. You understand the game, you make money. You don't understand, you begin to see the reasons and the fundamentals and you will never get it, and you will become a loser all the time because you are listening to the people where they ask you buy this, sell this, hold this. Are you in good mind to just buy whatever the people tell you to buy? Sometimes the stock's going to bankruptcy, but online they ask you to buy. They are selling and they want the price to stop going down because they want to sell everything. And when they sell, the company collapses because they sell everything. And you become holding into a loser, and then it goes bankruptcy, and then you lose all your money. That's why Nvidia, for example, try to check the capitalization, you find it smaller than Intel. Intel with $40, but they have billions of shares outstanding. It is so big. Maybe it has a lot of splits in the past. Like, for example, Apple. Apple was 700 something and goes to 100. Okay? So why? Because they made more shares and more shares and more shares. So these companies are so big in the market. It's so big. That's why the price is saturated. Not more, many people are willing to buy because they see it's old company and maybe it doesn't move that much. And some people, they like new things always. That's why new things, sometimes they go higher and higher and so good. That's why forget about logical market. The market is not logical. That's why I told you. You buy a penny stock $1 today. 5 days it is $6, $7, $8. So is this normal, logical? No. It's just manipulation. And then the $6 or $7, it goes to $1 again after a few days. Is this logical? No. The market is not logical. Don't try to give reasons to the market. The market is just supply and demand. When people, they have a lot of demand, the stock will go up. All the people ask about stock, like a Bitcoin currency, for example. All the people, they want it. That's why it goes high. Okay. When the people, they want all to sell, it will go down. That is the market. So the market basically is illogical. You find a small company, like you said, Nvidia, is going better than a big company. Okay? That's it. It's just the market, and you will never understand the reasons why. You just some people they buy. You can't ask thousands and thousands of people why you buy Nvidia, for example. They say maybe it's just I see it on TV. They say it's a good company. I bought it. Okay, and they bought it for many years and they leave it. They don't need this money. Some people, they have money. They don't know what to do with it, so they put it in the stocks and leave them for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Okay, for articles and the try always to do your own business. You are buying stocks to make money. Why you are looking for things that hackers or not hackers or to hack your computer? Okay, put antivirus, put a lot of stuff, and that's it. So it's not you can't stop anyone from doing whatever he wants. Hello, Minya Pan. Hello, Happy New Year. You come late. It's like 1 hour 57. We are finishing soon. How are you, Minya Pan? So as I told you, online, in TV, they change the opinion of people. If right now they ask you to buy a mutual fund or an ETF, they say last year it made so high, so buy it today. Now last year performance, it doesn't mean that next year it will do the same. Okay? So this is the problem. Don't follow people. You should have your own signals. You should be independent from people. And that's what I do with my students. All my students are independent. They have their own ideas. I show them how to buy, how to sell, how to follow the stock, how to put the stop loss, how to manage their account. When they know everything, they will do everything good in their account for their own business. Okay? So they don't rely on anyone else, even me. Okay? Because they understood how the market works and how to make money. That's the main thing we are here for. It's just to make a way to make money while we don't do that much. Because swing trading, you don't work that much. Few minutes in a day, 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day when you want to search. But when you find stocks and you buy them and they are going up, you do nothing. You just follow your stocks. That's what you do. And you just go to your chart at 3 o'clock or 3:30 and you see what's going on. So it's very funny and you have a lot of time for yourself, and this is what we do and this is what I teach, and that's it. So please, if you have any question, we have 2 hours right now. If you have any questions about penny stocks, okay, you can, in order to search, you can always go to silver subscription for search, okay, just to make sure you understand. Okay, for silver subscription, if you want just to search, to know how to search, how to select stocks, what are the criteria, and everything else, you should go to silver subscription. Now golden is for everything, search and a stop loss and everything else, following trends, and managing account risk. Everything you can just go to my golden subscription, or you can order single training levels. Okay, so order single training levels. That's it in general. So if you have any question, just ask. And if you want to ask questions or send me a private message, here is my email and my website. Okay, and you can just check everything. I have made before a list of videos about how to make thousands of dollars for a small account. You can check that also. Okay, and I will check. I can give you the link for that. I don't know which let me see. Let me see I'm trying to search. Yes, I find the list of videos. You can check those. Okay, for those, this is how to make thousands of dollars from a small account. It gives you a lot of hints what to do. I have another question from Baba. Do you know the best performing industry in 2017? So I'm telling you something, Baba. If you know the best industry in 2017, what it does for you, this is just general information. Any stupid person can find it online. But for you, have you been in one of these industries? Okay? So it's just you are just doing entertainment. Okay, this is the questions that you are asking. For example, this question of the best performed industry, it's in entertainment. Entertainment, it means just any information for your own sake of information. It doesn't make you, it doesn't change you, it doesn't give you money. It's just the past. Okay? Is there any good IPO coming? For me, I don't know what do you mean by good IPO. If it's going up, I don't know. How do you know? It's the future. Okay? So for me, I leave the IPO. There is a search from the IPO in my training. It shows you how to search for all the IPO in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years and to choose the best of them. If they continue to go up, you will be making money. This is how I search for IPOs. But the idea of you know something that it's coming in the market and it will be good, this I will not predict. I am not predicting anything in the market because I don't know. Who will know in the future? No one knows. Yes, probably will continue trending. Yes, if you find it. Now finding this, I know how to find this kind of stocks. It's just by searching. The IPO themselves, there is in my search to search IPO by themselves, not other stocks. Because when the stocks are going up, there are IPOs. It means IPOs, what does it mean? It means the stocks that are 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they are just new in the market. These are called IPOs, they are just new in the market. But there are older stocks that are 10 years, they are going up. So, for me, I buy everything that goes up. I don't care if it is an IPO, old company, small company, big company, whatever is company, penny stock, not penny stock, I don't care. For me, the goal is to make money. I don't care which stock it is. So, if you have the same state of mind, you will begin to look at the market differently than you are looking now. Now you are looking for a sure thing. As something is coming, I buy and then it goes up. This is not a reasonable trading strategy. This is what we call hit and miss strategy done by all the beginners. They say, oh, it's coming, buy it on the first day. Okay, you buy it, but under a few days it goes too much and you lose a lot of money. So is this what we are looking for? For me, I am not looking for that. I'm looking for established IPOs, 1 week, 2 weeks, 10 weeks, or 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Whatever is the years, I don't care. When it gets to my screen, I will look at the chart and I take a decision to buy or not to buy. Each day you will find stocks. Each day. It's daily. So it's not you wait for 1 year until you get a stock. So this is how I buy stocks. I buy by signal and by looking at my criteria of the chart. I don't buy because it is famous or because it is a technology stock or because it is a utility stock or because someone famous has spoken about this company. I don't follow news. I don't follow people. I follow the price. That doesn't lie. If the stock is going up, it's going up. You will make money for sure when you are in that stock. Okay? I don't look at the past. For example, you tell me, oh, last year that industry has been the best. But who tells you next year who is the best? Is it the same? No, it should be another thing. So if you buy the old one, it might be the worst next year. So you see, this is called industry rotation. So you should go to my videos and you watch. I think it's tomorrow I begin to put the video on Sunday. Yes, in today, it means today because we are now in the morning. So today at night or tomorrow Monday, you will see in my YouTube, you will find industry rotation. You can understand this change from some industries, they change, they are good, sometimes they go bad next year. And some that are bad this year, maybe next year they go good. This is called rotation, industry rotation. And who does this? Are mutual funds, who are the movers of the market. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. It's 1:11, so it's nearly 2 hours and 9 minutes about this thing. So question says, thank you very much, wise man. Baba said, is there a strategy that works before the company release earnings? So if you don't know the information, how do you know if it is good or bad? This is a normal thing that you can understand by yourself. I told you before, you are not listening, Baba Stock. You are not listening to me. I have explained the strategy at the beginning of the session. I told you you should listen after the market close. You should go to the company and listen to what they say and see the stock. If it's moving, you buy. But if you have a broker that is bad broker, they can't let you buy after the market close. It's over. You can't buy. The next day, maybe you find a gap up, so you are late. So there are a lot of things. You should have the information in order to buy or sell. Now you can buy any stock before the earnings, but it's risky. You can have a gap up, you make money, or you can have a gap down and you lose money. Thank you, wise men, for being here, and thank you all of you guys. Thank you all for all your questions, especially Baba Stock, who asked the majority of the stocks of today, which is very good with other guys. Please, if you have any questions. Kareem, do you trade biotech? I trade everything. I trade everything in the market. That's why I told you. Yes, everything. I trade any stock that it is good according to my signals. Okay? So thank you, Till. Thank you very much. Thank you, Baba. Thank you all of you guys who have been staying here the whole thing and asking questions, and hope you have got some answers. Baba said, why there is a lot of controversy about biotech? Okay, it's just companies. If mutual fund buy them, they go up. If they sell them, they go down. That's it. Why you are looking for news, and you are looking, if you are specialized in these companies, you know a lot of them, you can trade them. But sometimes if biotechnology are going down, all the stocks are going down, so you only short. But you find other industries, other sectors are going up, so you can make a lot of money. Okay, so don't put a lot of information in your mind that you don't need. Stop watching too much for this news, this information, these TV shows. These guys, they give you information, but this information, if it is in the past, it doesn't help in the future. So they give their opinion, so you are just having a lot of information, but it doesn't help you. What helps you is a strategy. When you find the stock ready to go up, you buy it. It's going up, you make money. If it's go down, you exit and you buy another one. That's it, what I do. Okay, I don't care about what the people do, or what the people ask, or what the people say in the market. Okay, so try to have all your energy finding good stocks and buying them and following them. Do big stocks move in upgrades? Yeah, sometimes, depending on the traders, depending on the news. Because some people maybe like you follow news, and whatever they ask you, you do. But for me, I don't follow news. I don't follow them. So this is the difference between me and you. You are always online to check for news, to check for information. But for me, the information is the price. Because the price doesn't lie. When the price is going up, whatever in the news they say, no, don't buy, I don't care. Because I don't follow them. Okay? whatever reasons they give you, I don't listen to them. That's the way I trade. So it's always different. Okay, so thank you very much, Baba Stock. Baba, you can send me an email if you need more information. Okay, because it's high time. It's 2 hours and 14 minutes. So I have to finish this session. Please check my videos on YouTube. And you say buy before or after the market. It's up to you. It's up to you, and you should see the risk. You think that there is earning, and you think that the stock will go up, but you will never know. Maybe it goes down into a gap down. So you should know your risk. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. As I told you, I give you my email and my website. If you have private question, please send me your private question. Okay, send me your private question, and I will be happy to answer you or to direct you to any training. Thank you very much, and see you next week.